Hey guys, you know how to prune blueberries? You're gonna learn today. When you're pruning anything really, you want to open up the center so that light and air can get through there, and you know, they're more healthy that way. Well, that's not the first thing, but that's one of the things. And then you want to go and take anything that's diseased or dying or broken that could cause problems, and you want to cut that out. I don't know how well you can see right here. There's some dieback. Like if you look up here, you can see all the pretty buds. Here, there's no buds and it doesn't look very healthy. So I'm just gonna take that out. Make space for some more productive, healthy material. And this one down here is really low. Right here. And it doesn't look very productive. So I'm going to take that one out also, so that we can leave more nutrients for the happy branches. Right here, you can see when the canes start turning gray, they're getting a little bit older, and you want these newer, younger shoots. You can tell the difference. See, this one's like red and green, and these are gray. This one particularly is just puny and lame, and I don't want it. And then there's one down here that's low and it's never going to grow out of the pot. And here's some little puny stuff right here with some dieback. This one's growing toward the center. I don't like that. The rule of thumb is to have 6 to 8 healthy canes coming from the bottom here for a productive plant, and you want to take out the oldest ones first, because as it gets older it becomes less productive and produces less fruit. So here's an older one I can take out and leave more energy for the happy branches. And this one's kind of be a little bit difficult, but you want to come and take anything that's crossing each other, that's rubbing, or that might rub, because that can cause areas where disease or pests can get into the plant and ruin it. And you don't want that, because the plant's not healthy and happy, you're gonna get less blueberries. And they're magic. So it's hard to do because crossing branches happen a lot with bushes, which is what blueberries are. So you want to take everything that crosses, but this one, if I take this out, it'll make a good bit of space right there. Hopefully this one will come out here and be a new productive cane. Here's a little puny one. No fruiting buds on it. Here's another little puny one. This one I'm hoping is going to start growing out that way and open up the center. And then I should probably take one of these ones out, but they look pretty happy. And you know, you don't have to do it all at once. Sometimes you prune a little bit and you're like, oh, I should take that out. You're like, no, leave it for another season. See what happens. Because sometimes they'll correct themselves and do what you want. Sometimes they won't. Here's some more dead wood right here. Bye. Don't need you. remember to prune your blueberry bushes. They'll be more healthy and more productive and produce more fruit for you. Well, it's been fun. See you in the next video. Bye.
Come to CompletelyIrrelevant.com for more family-friendly fun and adventures and other projects and cool stuff.
That's probably it. What's this? No, I don't want to do that. We'll go like this.